Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get embed code from Figma. Embedding your Figma designs allows you to integrate interactive prototypes or static images directly into websites, blogs, or documentation. This is incredibly useful for sharing your work dynamically and ensuring your audience experiences your designs as intended without needing to leave their current page. It streamlines collaboration and presentation efforts, making your design showcases much more engaging and accessible. To begin, navigate to the specific Figma design file you wish to embed. Once your file is open in the editor, direct your attention to the upper right-hand corner of the interface. You will clearly see a blue button labeled Share. Clicking this button will reveal a comprehensive menu of sharing and publishing functionalities, providing you with several options for how to distribute your design. After clicking Share, a dialog box will appear. Look for the option that says Get Embed Code and click it. Here, you can adjust parameters like the width and height of your embedded frame to fit your specific needs. Once you are satisfied with the settings, simply click the Copy button. This action will instantly copy the entire iframe code to your clipboard. With the embed code now copied, you can paste it directly into the HTML of your chosen platform, such as a website, blog post, or content management system. It is crucial to verify that your platform supports embedding HTML iframe elements. Upon successful integration, your Figma design will appear as an interactive element, allowing viewers to engage with your prototype directly within the page.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.